What's that? I'm gonna pop a smoke up here, and then I'm gonna send us all file drive, and we're just gonna go in and do a raid, do as much damage as we can.
Go for it. I'm gonna pop up on the field down here.
Okay. Go, go, run, hustle, hustle. Go, go, go.
Welcome back, Blue Mag Airsofters. I'm Austin, and this is Grimnir Tactical's Anthropos II at Zulu 24 in New York. For this event, I was focusing on raiding tactics. And what I mean by that is disruption. We would sneak behind enemy lines, capture objectives, harass the enemy, and destroy supply chains. This is a very non-traditional method in Airsoft. Not a lot of people do it, because it takes a lot of work. You've got to sneak behind the enemy lines, you have to be extremely quiet, you can't get detected, or else your entire operation goes bust. For the raid that you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm going to explain exactly what was going on there. We staged here and did mock runs for about 20 minutes with the sand table before inserting into the city here at Bravo. Our objective was to insert, destroy enemy contacts, and switch that particular area over to CFI controlled territory.
Keep moving, like I said. Go, 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 go! Go, go! UAV, can you guide us in? This is Wolf 3, you're right over top of us.
Yep, stand by one.
Good copy. We're gonna start moving along the outside now. All right, go. Go.
Wolf 3, 2 small buildings in front of you, clear. Next building up, large, enemy contact.
Correct. Go.
Channel 1, right side of white building.
Empty.
Shadow 1, Wolf 3, rest of the village is clear, first wing D. Ground burn white.
Good copy. This is Wolf 3. Village has been cleared over.
The first raid we did was mostly a success. Besides losing 75% of our fighting force and not inserting quietly, we did a good job clearing the city, with UAV support of course. But the second raid we did was not so successful. We did a large movement from our forward operating base here around the enemy's eastern front to switch a position in the rear to CFI without the enemy noticing. This took a lot of time and patience, but sometimes it just doesn't work out besides you doing all the right steps.
All right, I'm gonna take a peek right here and see what we got. That way the whole element's not moving out, so everybody stay put. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
The rest of this clip is just our squad getting absolutely slaughtered by the enemy because we were detected. One of the most important things to remember when doing raids like this is you have to remain undetected. In order to surprise the enemy, hit, do your damage, capture objectives, and then bail out, you need to be able to remain unseen. This next movement wasn't really much of a raid because we were only moving a few hundred feet from our forward operating base, but it is still a noteworthy movement as we were able to completely outflank the enemy.
Thank you.
You ready to cut over here into this tree line? Right, follow me.
real life, it's desirable after doing these raids to be able to retreat and get out of there alive because it's hit and run. But in Airsoft, you don't really want to run. You kind of want to hit and die. But if you want to do these raids realistically, you're going to want to get your whole team out of there alive because you have limited tourniquets, lives, whatever. That's all the footage of the daytime raids I have. Most of the raids I conduct are at night. We did about 3 or 4 of them until about 11 p.m. because this was not a 42-hour straight event. This last little bit of footage here is some notable kills and some good ambush footage I was able to get from the second day.
Shoot him. Moving. Target down. Watch that side.
Hopefully you guys and gals found some of this information in the video helpful. Make sure you check out our friends Grimnir Tactical, Zulu 24 Airsoft, and Zulu Outdoor. And the last thing, of course, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel and check out our website, bluemagairsoft.com, for all your ammo needs. Everything ships for free. Thanks again for watching.